Okay. Celebration Key. Christmas Eve. Enjoying this cold water, man. The beach and the pool is cold. I just went, got my dip and out the door. But the guys went to eat at that little restaurant over there. But you know what? My appetite is not with it right now. So, this is what the pool area looks like. And again, I missed the parade, guys. I apologize. So, next week when they're having the New Year's parade, I think I will try my best to catch it. But this is what it feels like, just relaxing on the pool area with your YouTube and Facebook, just enjoying life. Leaving all the 2025 headaches, problems, and everything else in the ocean and in the pool. So, you know, half okay. You ain't catching iron in no water. It's cool. This queen will stay in her clothes if she get off. And stay in her clothes. But guys, this is what it looks like. Not much going on. Not too much people out here this time of the morning. They just, I guess, waiting after lunch to get out here. But you know what? At lunch I want to be on the boat. I can drink my soup, Chinese soup. After that, take a nap. That's what time of the day it is right now. Celebration Key. I'm gonna attach some video clips to this, old video clips. That way you would have, you know, have a refresher what it looks like. Love you guys and God bless. Tomorrow is half moon cake if I get off the boat. If not, y'all just get a preview. But ever since I got on this boat, it's like my sinuses are not where it need to be. And then in the casino, the smoking and people close to you that sneezing and coughing ain't helping up. But this church have her vitamin C, her vitamin K, her all her vitamins. She got zinc, everything. And even have her ginger tea.